When you throw a ball upwards, it will fall down to the ground because of the gravitational force. Similarly, Moon revolves around the Earth because of the gravitational force between them. All objects having mass exert gravitational force. In the same way, there is electrostatic force between two charges. Hydrogen atom consists of a proton and an electron. Since both have masses, there is gravitational force between them. Also, both are charges. So, there is electrostatic force between them. Which force is greater? Electrostatic force or gravitational force? Let us discuss in this video. Gravitational force is based on mass. Electrostatic force is based on charge. Gravitational force is always positive and attractive. Electrostatic force is attractive or repulsive. Both forces are inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Gravitational force is given by the universal law of gravitation. Fg equal to G me mp by r square, where G is the gravitational constant. Electrostatic force is given by the Coulomb's law. Fe equal to k into q1 q2 by r square. K is the Coulomb constant. Now let us calculate the gravitational force between the proton and the electron. The gravitational force Fg equal to G into me mp by r square. Substituting the value of G, me, mp and r, we will get Fg equal to 3.4 into 10 power minus 47 Newton. In the same way, let us calculate the electrostatic force between the proton and the electron. Fe equal to k into q1 q2 by r square. Substitute the value of k, q1, q2 and r. We will get Fe equal to 8.2 into 10 power minus 8 Newton. The ratio between these two forces is Fe by Fg equal to 8.2 into 10 power minus 8 by 3.4 into 10 power minus 47, which is equal to 2.41 into 10 power 39. Therefore, Fe is approximately equal to 10 power 39 times of Fg. Electrostatic force between a proton and an electron is enormously greater than the gravitational force between them. That is, gravitational force is negligible when compared with electrostatic force in atomic domain. Plastic comb is initially electrically neutral. When it is rubbed on dry hair, some electron is transferred from hair to comb due to friction. When this negatively charged comb is bringing towards the piece of paper bits, positively charged end of the paper bits attracted towards the comb. Here, the mass of the paper bit is very much larger than atomic dimensions. So, here gravitational force cannot be neglected. It acts in the downward direction. When the electrostatic force is higher than the gravitational force, the bits of paper moves up towards the comb.